Okay, from I think this is the one to hand me the keys and let's get started can be, depending upon the franchise, anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks and several months. So let me explain. The process is broadly, once you're satisfied that you think that this is it, you will start to talk to the franchisor about what particular territory, whether you're taking in an assignment of an existing outlet or whether you're starting a new one. And the time frames and the processes might be slightly different for that. But you will reach the point where you are given a set of disclosure documents and a draft set of franchise documents, and there'll be other documents to go with that depending upon what the territory is, what the franchise type is. Once you've looked at that and you're comfortable with that, there's a cooling off period and there are certificates you need to get from your advisors to make sure that the franchisor can rely upon you going ahead. Then you sign your documentation. You'll then go into a period of training and orientation, and that training and orientation can be anywhere between 2 and 4 weeks. Provided you pass it, and I've had clients that have failed their training and had to do it again, provided you pass it, then usually your contract is running at the same time. So you've got finance and due diligence and dealing with the assignment of any existing lease or the fit out of your existing premises and the signing of your new lease. All that's running concurrently. So that whole process can be 4 to 6 weeks. Sometimes there are delays. Many times these days it's the financier, your financier, that's holding these things up because they want more documentation, more information, they might want more security, or they're just plain not ready, which happens a lot these days. So from I think this is the one, give me the documents, the disclosure document and the draft franchise documents, to being in and being trading is usually about 4 to 6 weeks, but depending upon the franchise can be longer. Some of the larger franchises, the McDonald's and the like, have a very long training process, a few months. So that whole process is longer and more in depth. So it is a little bit of is a little bit rubbery, but essentially that's the process. Some parts of it are longer, some parts of it are shorter, depending upon what you're buying.